Dear student of class 9, today we have to read about speed. What is speed? The speed of a body gives us an idea of how slow or fast that body is moving. So we can define the speed distance covered by a moving body per unit time is called a speed of a body. A speed, to find a speed, we can use formula a speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. Suppose a moving body travels a distance s in time t, then a speed v is given by v is equal to s by t. A speed is a scalar quantity because it has only magnitude, it has no direction. The SI unit of speed is meter per second, and meter per second also is written as ms to the power -1. A smaller unit of speed is centimeter per second and bigger unit of speed is kilometer per hour. So bigger unit of speed is kilometer per hour. There is a instrument, there is a device that is known as a speedometer. A speedometer is a device which shows a speed of a running car at any instant of time. Another instrument is odometer. It is an instrument which is used to measure the distance traveled by a moving body. It measures the distance in kilometer. Average speed. The average speed of a body is the total distance traveled divided by the total time taken to this distance. Average speed is equal to total distance covered by total time taken. Uniform speed or constant speed means uniform speed is also known as constant speed. If an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, however small the interval be, it is said to move with uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. If an object does not covers equal distance in equal interval of time, its speed is called non-uniform speed. इसको हम लोग हिंदी में कह सकते हैं कि जब कोई बॉडी इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में इक्वल डिस्टेंस कवर करता है तब उसका स्पीड यूनिफॉर्म या कांस्टेंट स्पीड कहलाता है। जब वो इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में अनइक्वल डिस्टेंस कवर करता है, जैसे पहला 5 मिनट में वह 10 किलोमीटर कवर करता है और दूसरे अगले 5 मिनट्स में वह 15 किलोमीटर कवर करता है, तो इस कंडीशन में उसका स्पीड जो है नॉन यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड कहलाएगा। अब हम लोग देखते हैं वेलोसिटी। व्हाट इज वेलोसिटी? द रेट ऑफ डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड with time in a specified direction is called velocity। और दूसरे वर्ड में इसको डिफाइन कर सकते हैं, the distance covered by the body in a specified direction in unit time interval is called velocity। या दूसरे वर्ड में और कह सकते हैं कि the rate of change of displacement, the rate of change of displacement with time is called the velocity। Velocity is equal to distance covered in given direction by time taken, or we can also write velocity equal to displacement by time taken, or if we denote velocity as v and displacement by s or time by t, then v is equal to s by t। Velocity is a vector quantity. It is denoted by u arrow or V arrow. SI unit of velocity is meter per second. अब हम लोग को जानना चाहिए कि स्पीड और वेलोसिटी में क्या डिफरेंसेस हैं. द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय अ मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट पर यूनिट टाइम इज कॉल्ड स्पीड, while the rate of change of displacement with time is called velocity. Speed is a scalar quantity while velocity is a vector quantity. Speed can be positive or zero while velocity can be positive, negative or zero. Now, uniform velocity or constant velocity. What is constant velocity? If a body travels equal distances in equal interval of time along a particular direction, the body is said to be moving with a uniform velocity. Now, non-uniform or variable velocity. If a body moves unequal distances in a particular direction in equal interval of time, or it moves equal distances in equal intervals of time, but its direction of motion changes, velocity of the body is said to be non-uniform velocity. अब हम लोग देखेंगे इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी क्या होता है. कि इफ अ बॉडी मूविंग विथ वेरिएबल वेलोसिटी, द वेलोसिटी ऑफ द बॉडी एट एनी इंस्टेंट इज कॉल्ड इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी. Now there is a average velocity also. What is this? If the velocity of a body moving in a particular direction changes with time, the ratio of the displacement to the time taken in journey is called the average velocity. To find average velocity, we can use this formula: average velocity is equal to displacement by time taken, or average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity by whole by 2. In symbolic way, you can write average velocity is equal to u plus v by 2. Here a small u represent initial velocity and small v represent final velocity. Okay. Next class we will learn what is acceleration and deceleration. Student, I requested you that write all the notes in copy and learn these notes.